Hi, good day. Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be making another basic sauce that is used in the cold kitchen. It is used in cold food, from appetizer to main dish up to the salad. And of course, there is a ratio for this sauce. This is the oil and vinegar sauce. And the ratio that I have mentioned is 1 part vinegar. Any kind of vinegar will do. You can replace it with any acid like lemon or calamansi. And 3 parts oil. And you can use any kind of winterized oil. What I mean is a kind of oil that doesn't set when you place it in the refrigerator. And but still, the best oil is still the olive oil. For the vinegar, you can even use the balsamic vinegar if you want to. Okay? So, by the way, before I forget, for first timers in our channel, after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe. Got it, guys? So, okay, we will now make our dressing. We need oil, any winterized oil will do, but the best is the olive oil. And then you can use any acid or any vinegar or acid or lemon or lime. But the ratio is 1 part of acid or vinegar is to 3 parts oil. And then we will season it with salt and pepper to taste. And then of course we will be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay? So now we will just have, actually you can use a wire whisk in a mixing bowl. But the best way, so it would not be very hard, is to use a blender. So now we will start. We will put our, actually this is a combined vinegar and lemon. And then our salt and pepper. Season it first. And then about a tablespoon of honey. There you are. 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we'll add an oil. So it's well mixed. Okay, first we will make our egg for our salad. We need at least 6 pieces eggs because we'll be making 3 mixes. 2 pieces eggs for each mix, and then for each mix we will add flavor. For the first mix we will add chopped red bell pepper. For the other mix we will add chopped malunggay leaves. And of course we will season it with our salt and pepper, and the ratio is 1:2. And of course we need some oil, and we'll be using a non-stick pan like this. Get it, guys? Okay. We will add the red bell pepper and stir it so it turns red. Okay. The chopped malunggay leaves. And then we'll just stir it so it turns green. And then for the third, it is just plain egg. So this is yellow. And then of course we will season it with our salt and pepper. Okay. And then we will start to pan fry it. Now the red. Okay. The pepper. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to make it thin. Okay. So we'll just finish everything and then I'll show you later how we will do it. But this is how to pan fry our egg. So this is how we'll do it. We'll just roll it like this. As I have told you earlier, it's not important that it's not perfect. So we will roll it. And the red. Because after rolling it, we will chill it and then we will slice it. Okay. Here now is our ingredients for our salad. Of course, our eggs, or thinly fried eggs, with red bell pepper, chopped malunggay leaves, and just plain eggs. And then after we chill it, we roll it and then chill, and then we slice it. And then for our additional ingredient, we have our julienne tomato, julienne onions, and julienne red bell pepper. Plus, of course, our lettuce, shredded lettuce. And of course, our dressing, the oil and vinegar dressing, wherein we added a tablespoon of honey to catch up with the taste palates of Asians, especially Filipinos. Okay, now we'll just have to mix everything. Our eggs. I leave some for my wife because she doesn't want vinegar. Okay, and then our veggies. So there. And then our lettuce, and then we'll just have to toss it. So this is our, we call it Omelette Salad, one of my concoctions. And then we just toast it with in our dressing. So, our omelette salad, we'll just arrange it in a bowl. Okay, this is our salad. Now to add some chopped malunggay leaves on top to add color and to make it more healthy. Okay, so our salad is ready. It's an omelette salad with shredded lettuce, julienne onion, red bell pepper, tomato, and of course some chopped malunggay leaves on top. And since it's difficult to find parsley nowadays because of our corona crisis, so I just added, to add color, some leaves from the alugbati. Okay guys, I have just shown you how to make an oil and vinegar sauce or dressing. That was only a basic. But from that basic, you can make a lot of variations from it. And those, from the basic to the variations, you can use it to any meat, poultry, seafood, and vegetables. Or a combination of meat, poultry, seafood with vegetables. Got it, guys? Even with processed food. So, guys, thank you for watching. And see you next video for another culinary tutorial video that I will be featuring. But before I forget, for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And so, this is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.